कहते हैं सफलता उन्हीं को मिलती है जो रास्ते बनाते हैं, ना कि उन पर चलने वाले। लॉजिस्टिक्स और सप्लाई चेन की दुनिया में ये रास्ते बनाने वाले ही है असली नायक। They are the visionaries, the innovators, the leaders shaping the future of an entire industry. The fourth edition of the Cargo and XT Logistics and SCM Summit concluded with such a celebration, a glittering evening of recognitions on 5th September 2025 at Shangri-La Eros, New Delhi. The recognitions were presented by Chief Guest General Manoj Pandey, PVSM, AVSM, VSM, former Chief of the Army Staff. He served as the 29th Chief of the Army Staff of India, becoming the first officer from the Corps of Engineers in this role. With over 42 years of distinguished service, he commanded key appointments in India and abroad. Academically accomplished, he earned a Master's in Defence Studies, an MPhil in Defence and Management Studies, and graduated from premier military institutions in India and the UK. Guest of Honour Lieutenant General Manoj Kumar Mego, AVSM, YSM, SM, former Commandant National Defence College and currently Senior Advisor, BRICS Chamber of Commerce. He served 38 years in the Indian Army and led critical initiatives including COVID-19 logistics and OP Galwan support and contributed to UN peacekeeping missions, along with Cargo and XT co-founders Yogita Bhurani and Jatin Sahni. This evening, the industry came together to honor trailblazers whose contributions continue to redefine the future of logistics and supply chain. And the Logistics Legend Hall of Fame honor was dedicated to Shri S. L. Sharma, Chairman of Skyways Group, a logistics luminary whose vision and leadership built a global force in freight forwarding and supply chain solutions.
First of all, it is a great honor and pride, and I feel so proud to have this, award from the Army Chief. You see, the most important thing is, if our borders are strong, we are strong. I can say that logistic, because the way they are handling border, our logistic industry has a very bright future. We have a bright future, and I can tell you one thing, that if I talk about my company, I'll say only two words. Only two words is must change and never change. Must change means go whatever is going on today. You have to keep yourself up to date. You should make your infrastructure up to date. You should make sure that you are not, less than anybody. We are a global player and we want to do it. And last, which I say, never change. My company ethics, business ethics, my company's principle, my principle of company respect to all. Business value, we have value for each and every player who are associated with us.
Excellence of 50 years in logistics recognized to Shri Vipin Vohra, Chairman of Continental Carriers Private Limited, a pioneer who has shaped India's air freight sector for over 5 decades, creating a legacy of innovation and global connectivity.
And the first day when I went to office, my father asked me, "Beta, aa gaya na office? अब तू हर सीट पे एक एक जाके बैठ के फिर मेरी सीट पे आके बैठी हो." So it took me 2.5 years before I sat on his chair, and I have worked in all the departments. I've made the shipping bill with my hands. I've cut the airway bill. I've done everything, with my own hands. I've gone to the airport for doing custom clearance. I've put labels on the packages myself. And the days, when I joined the office, the cargo was cleared behind the IT office. That was the place where we used to take the cargo and then clear it over there. Then this whole thing came to Palam Airport, where all the airlines, they had their own offices. We used to clear the cargo over there, and then we handled the complete import at the airport from 79 to 86.
Logistics Visionary of the Year, Mr. Vineet K. Chadda, founder and managing director of Combined Logistics Solutions Private Limited. With over 30 years of expertise, he has expanded India's footprint in global trade and sustainable logistics.
Yeah, hi, good evening everyone. And to be honest, it's honor to have this award. First of all, the criteria was above 30 years, in this industry. So maybe I am looking towards the older side because I'm in 31 years in this industry, started at the age of 17. But having said that, I would love to thank Cargo and XT team. They did a great show. And on top of it, today is Teachers' Day, and we have all the big mentors. And I'm sure, the way they have always handhold me during my childhood times, I would have made a lot of mistakes, and I could see the front faces. They all would have helped me, and that's where I, thank you all, because if we don't have the senior support, then of course, how could the young generation move further?
Also recognized as Logistics Visionary of the Year, Dr. Vandana Singh, Chairperson of Aviation Cargo at the Federation of Aviation Industry of India. A global aviation leader, policy shaper and advocate for women in aviation with more than 3 decades of excellence.
वीरता की असली पहचान सेवा और संपूर्णता होती है. The real mark of bravery is duty and dedication. And I would really like to dedicate this award to our armed forces, to the brave men and women who protect us, who make us breathe, who give us this freedom as we march towards Viksit Bharat 2047 strategy.
Logistics Icon of the Decade recognized to Ayush Anand, Vaibhav Kapoor and Angad Arora, co-founders of Ship Global. Visionary leaders, entrepreneurs and innovators together building one of India's most dynamic cross-border logistics platforms. Cargo and XT Recognitions 2025, a celebration of excellence, innovation and leadership in logistics. Congratulations to all our honorees. Thank you to our partners for making this evening unforgettable. Stay tuned, the journey of recognizing excellence continues. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.